Hi everyone, welcome to Coding Drive. In this video, we are going to learn about ArrayList in Java. If you know array, so the major difference between array and ArrayList is that the size of the array is not resizable. On the other hand, you can add and remove elements from the ArrayList whenever you want. So let's see how we can implement ArrayList in our Java program. So to implement ArrayList in our Java program, we need to import a class. So let's import the class, import java.util.ArrayList. It's the class that we need to import, which is available in java.util package. Now let's create an ArrayList. So let's write ArrayList. In this ArrayList, I'm going to store the elements of type string. So I'm writing string here. If you're creating this ArrayList to store integer or any other primitive data type, then make sure that you're using wrapper class. Wrapper class is basically, it provides a way to use primitive data type as objects. So here is the list of primitive type and their equivalent wrapper class. Now we need to write the name of our array list. So I'm going to write city, new, and then array list. Now is this angle bracket, we can write string, but it is not compulsory. Now I'm going to add some element in our array list. To add element in our array list, just write the name of our array list and use add function. Let's add some more data. Now we are going to print the elements of our array list. Inside this system.out.println, we just need to pass the name of our array list. Let's run the program. Here is our output. Next, we are going to find out the total number of elements in our array list. Inside the system.out.println, write city, which is the name of our array list, and then size function. Let's run the program. So here is our output. Now we are going to access a particular element from our array list. So to access a particular element, we can use city.get function. And inside the get function, we need to pass the index. Let's say I want to access Mumbai, which is the index number 1, because array list starts from 0. So I'm going to pass 1. Now let's run the program. So here is the output. Now we are going to access all the elements of our array list using a for loop. So write for int I equals to 0 and then I less than. Now here we are going to use the size method, ct.size, and we are going to access elements using get method. Just pass I, which will increment by 1 every time, and by that index number we can access the elements of our array list. Let's run. So yes, here is the output. Now you're going to modify the element of our array list. Now to modify our array list element, we can use set method. And inside this set method, we need to pass the index number of the element that we want to modify. For example, there are 4 elements in my array list. Now let's say I'm going to change this element from Mumbai to Chennai. So let's do that. So here we need to pass the index number. So the index number of Mumbai is 1. So let's write 1. And here we need to pass the string. So let's write Chennai. Now let's print the array list elements. So the second element has been changed. So this is how we can implement ArrayList in your Java program. So that's it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.